Hello everyone. Today, we will delve into the journey of a fruit that might seem simple but holds many fascinating stories, the kiwi. Known for its refreshing taste, kiwi is packed with vitamin C fiber and beneficial compounds. However, few people know that behind each kiwi lies a tale of passion, skill, and perseverance from millions of farmers in Asia. With an annual production of 29 million tons, kiwi has become one of the most important agricultural commodities, contributing significantly to the economy of many countries in Asia. From the cool lands of China, where kiwi was first discovered and cultivated, to Japan and South Korea, countries that have invested in developing high-quality kiwi varieties, this fruit has gradually become a symbol of resilience and creativity in Asian agriculture. Not every place can grow kiwi. This fruit requires specific climate conditions and soil types. Asia is home to ideal kiwi-growing regions thanks to its diverse climates and rich natural resources. China, the birthplace of kiwi, is home to many hilly regions with cool climates and fertile soil. Perfect for kiwi cultivation, provinces like Sichuan and Hubei lead the production of kiwi in China, with thousands of farms spread across the mountains. Each harvest season, farmers here eagerly await the ripe, juicy kiwi fruits to gather. Japan, known for its strict quality standards, has created high-end kiwi farms, employing advanced technology to care for the plants. From the Shizuoka region to Nagano, Japan not only produces kiwi but elevates it to a premium product, with a refined taste and superior quality. In Japan, kiwi is not just a fruit, it's a symbol of dedication and respect for nature. Growing kiwi is not a job that can be completed in a single season. It is a meticulous journey that spans several years. To obtain strong and high-yielding kiwi plants, farmers in Asia must carefully choose the right varieties. Each kiwi variety is thoroughly researched, from its resistance to pests and diseases to the quality of the fruit after harvest. The soil for planting must be prepared so that the pH level is suitable, usually neutral or slightly acidic, for optimal kiwi growth. Throughout the year, the kiwi plants are tended to with great care. Fertilization is an essential part of the process, with organic fertilizers and trace nutrients to help the plants thrive. Irrigation systems are also installed to ensure adequate water supply, preventing waterlogging or drought. Tasks such as pruning branches, removing old leaves, and protecting plants from pests are carried out regularly. Pruning is a crucial step that requires great skill, as cutting too much can deprive the plant of enough leaves for photosynthesis, while cutting too little will result in suboptimal fruit size and flavor. Therefore, pruning kiwi trees is almost an art form, requiring precision and patience from the growers. When the kiwi fruits reach perfect ripeness, the harvest season officially begins. But harvesting kiwi is not a simple task. Farmers must recognize the subtle signs of ripeness, including color, softness, and the fragrant aroma when the fruit has reached the ideal sweetness. The harvesting process is done by hand, as each kiwi is carefully picked to avoid bruising and damage. The high-quality fruits are then placed in baskets and transported to storage facilities for further sorting and packaging. For experienced farmers, just by touching the fruit, they can determine whether it's ripe or not. This is a job that requires great technical skill and patience, because if not done carefully, the kiwi can lose its commercial value. Today, modern technology has greatly aided in improving the efficiency and quality of kiwi harvesting. From machines that help pick the fruit automatically to advanced sorting systems, farmers can harvest kiwi at a faster pace while maintaining quality. Modern kiwi picking machines have the ability to identify fruits that are perfectly ripe, allowing farmers to save time and effort. Additionally, automatic sorting machines help divide the kiwi into different categories based on size, color, and weight, making it easier for growers to select the highest quality fruits for export or domestic sale. Kiwi from Asia has become increasingly popular worldwide, thanks to its delicious taste and outstanding nutritional value. From demanding markets like Europe and the United States, Asian kiwi is now available in supermarkets across the globe, meeting the growing needs of international consumers. For export, kiwi must undergo strict quality control procedures. From packaging to testing for pesticide residues, everything must meet international standards. High-quality kiwi fruits are carefully packed using modern preservation technologies to ensure they remain fresh from the farm to the consumer, even when shipped thousands of kilometers away. Behind every kiwi fruit is the story of the tireless efforts of farmers in Asia. For them, growing kiwi is not just a job. It's a long journey of passion and perseverance. Many families have been involved in kiwi farming for generations, passing down knowledge and pride in their produce. There have been difficult seasons when extreme weather or pests led to poor yields. But despite the hardships, these farmers continue to push forward, believing that their kiwi fruits will reach the hands of consumers, bringing joy and health to everyone. The future of Asian kiwi looks promising as more countries focus on this fruit. However, farmers still face significant challenges. Climate change, pest issues, and increasing demands for higher quality products are factors they must adapt to and improve. Researchers and kiwi growers are working on developing new varieties that are more resistant to diseases and have better yields. With support from technology and government programs, Asian kiwi has the potential to not only meet domestic demand but also expand globally, becoming a strategic agricultural product in the future. Through the story of the journey of Asian kiwi, we see that each kiwi fruit embodies a process filled with challenges and efforts. Let's thank the farmers who work diligently to bring these delicious fruits to us. Let's enjoy kiwi not only as a fruit but as a gift from nature and the hard-working hands of humankind.